Oh, hi all. So in this class, I will discuss about like why we need left join and why we need right outer join, and what is the reason that in a single query where we can implement left and right outer join both. So that is the purpose of this session, this class. So in this class, I'm not going to explain what is inner join, what is left join, what is right join, but I will try to show you an example, a use case where you can use left and right outer join both in the same query, because I was getting this question from many students that how and in which use case we can use both left and right outer join in the same query. So for this, I have taken a very simple use case. I have created employee table, then I have a location table and salary table. So let me show you the structure. In employee table, I have ID 1 to 3 and name is ABC. Location, I have 1 to 4 ID. Location is Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and then I have salary. So ID column is common in this three tables. Okay. So first of all, I will take a very simple example and then slowly I will show you how we can use both left and right in the same tree. E comma B dot location. So here, first of all, I'm trying to join employee A with location B using energy. Okay. First of all, let me show you if I'm using this inner join, very simple one. So what will be the output? This is the query of simple inner join. And then this is the output. So here quickly I will tell you that here I have used inner join. Inner join, you know, like the IDs which are same in both the tables, that will be fetched. So here I have joined employee and location table. In employee and location table, you can see that ID 1, 2 is common, right? It is present in both the tables. So that is why in the output we got ID 1 and 2. Okay. Now, suppose the requirement is the user is telling that I want the IDs which are left out, or the IDs which are not present in the location table. I want those IDs as well. So in the employee, you can see this ID 3. This was missed, okay, because it is not present in the location table. So for this, what we will do, we have to use a left join here. Okay, so in this query, what I will do, I will write employee A, left join location B. So let me show you the output of this query. So again, I'm repeating, the purpose is not to introduce, not to explain you what is left and right. I'm explaining this with understanding that you guys know what is left join and what is right join. So now when I have used here left outer join, you can see like this is the output, and you can see this ID 3C. It's coming in the output, right? Because we have used the left join here. Okay. Now suppose, so this was all about joining employee and location table. Suppose I want to, suppose the user wants to get the salary as well. So for this, what I have to do, I have to join the salary table. So I will join here salary table C, and again the joining condition is C dot ID equals C dot ID, and in the select clause I will add this C dot ID comma C dot salary. So here I have used here inner join with the salary C. Now let's try to understand what is the output for this. This is your query, and this is the output. This is the output. So now you can see here. So this was the final output from the previous query. So just we have joined this with the salary. So what SQL engine will do? It will join this data with the salary data, and it will see what all IDs are common. So you can see ID 1, 2, 3 is common in both the tables. So that's why in the output we got ID 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, so I think so far it is clear. Now, suppose the requirement of the user is the business stakeholders, they are telling that, okay, fine, you got this output, this is fine. But in the salary table, I can see there's an employee 5. Okay, you can see there's an employee ID 5. So salary is 500. This is not coming in the output. Now the business stakeholders, they are telling that I want this ID 5 as well to be coming in the output. Okay. Now to show this, what I have to do is it means they want all the data from salary table, right? They want all the data from the salary table. So it means here I have to use right outer join. Then only I can get all the data from the salary table. So in this query, just what I will do, I will write here right join salary C. Now let me execute this query and show you the output. Now this is the output, and please verify this. So from this output, now you can see that apart from 3, we got this ID 5 as well. So this is the beauty of this left and right outer join. And I have shown you that how in a single query, in the same query, you can use both left and right outer join. Okay, because here, if you will use left outer join instead of this salary, so you cannot get this ID 5 and 500, right? This will be missing. So that's why you have to use here right join. So fine. So this is a very simple query I have used just to make you understand that how in the same query you can use left and right outer join, and why we have both left and right outer join as well. Hope you have liked this small session on this left and right. Thank you. Take care. Bye.